Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily create a Snapchat account in 2021. Now if you're watching this video and instead of creating a Snapchat account, you want to create a Snapchat public creator account, that tutorial is in the description down below. The difference is a public creator account is used for businesses or people who want to grow a large following on Snapchat because you have the option for a subscribe button, and when you post content, all of your subscribers will see the videos. However, if you just want to create a regular Snapchat account, you want to add friends, you want to speak to friends, then this is the right video for you. But if you want to grow an audience on Snapchat, the public creator account tutorial is in the description. So first thing we're going to do, if you just want to create a regular Snapchat account, is we're going to open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, and we're going to search for Snapchat, and we're going to make sure Snapchat is downloaded. I'll have direct download links for Snapchat from the Google Play Store, which is for Android users, and the App Store, which is for iOS users, iPhone users, in the description down below. Once we have Snapchat downloaded, we're just going to open it up. And now we see the option to log in and to sign up. On Android, these options are in bubbles at the left and the right, but it doesn't matter. Just tap on where you see sign up. And now it's going to ask for your name. Now your name is visible to everyone, so just keep that in mind. They're not going to ask you for ID verification, so you can add a fake name, but I'm just going to add my real name. So my name is Alf and then Saunders. And then we're just going to tap on sign up and accept. Now it asks when your birthday. You don't need to add a real date of birth. Again, they do not check. It's up to you what date of birth you want to add. However, keep in mind, depending on your date of birth, Snapchat will recommend friends which are in your age group. So let's say you're in school X, Snapchat might recommend you from people in school Y, which are in your same year groups. Just keep that in mind. So I'm just going to do a random date of birth. We'll just say 28th of May 1995. Then we'll tap on continue. Now it says your username, and this is an automatically generated username. However, if you want your own username, you're just going to tap on change my username, and then we can just add a username. So let's just do Fortnite Gamer like this. I don't even know. And you can see my username is too long, so I'll just reduce length. And well, that's actually unavailable. Okay. And let's try and find a username which is available. So okay, there we go. Username available. So it seems like I didn't realize people were making usernames with Fortnite Gamer in their name, but okay. So once we have our username, we'll just tap on continue. Now we need to set a password. So I'm just going to set whatever password. So we'll just do like this. Cool. And we'll just tap on continue. Just wait for this to do its thing. Now it's going to ask you for your mobile number. Now you don't have to sign up to Snapchat using your phone number. You can also use an email account without needing to enter in your phone number. Now Snapchat does sell your phone number to advertisers, and you might see messages from third parties asking you for, dumb advertising. And that's why I personally would advise you to tap on sign up with email instead. And then you just enter in your email which you have linked, Gmail, iCloud email, anything. So I'm going to use Saunders Tech plus ACC at iCloud.com. So that's the email I'm going to be using. We'll just tap on continue. And then we see find your friends. If you just tap on continue, it's going to go through your contacts and it will add people in your contacts list. And so I'm just going to tap on skip for that. And then create your Bitmoji. You can tap on create with a camera, and it will essentially take your face and then it will customize it. I'm just going to tap on skip. And then we see Snapchat would like to access the camera. Tap on OK. And there we go, there's my face, microphone, OK. And yeah, we're good to go. And our Snapchat account is created. Now if we just tap on our icon right here, and we tap on settings, do make sure that you verify your email or your phone number. So you see right here, email, just tap on email, and you have an option to allow others to find your account using your email. Up to you if you want to use that. So we'll just tap on verify email. And what we're going to do is once we tapped on this, you're going to see in your email, so just check the mail app or go to Gmail, you're going to see a brand new email from Team Snapchat. I'm looking at it on my MacBook, and it says confirm your email address, and then it says hi, your username, thanks for adding your email address, please confirm it, and I'll just click on confirm email. And once this is done, if I just reload the Snapchat app, you can see now my email address is fully verified. So if you don't verify your email, you might be not showing up on the search results, or your account might be suppressed because Snapchat might think it's a bot account. So verifying your email does help. There is no need to add your phone number, so you do not need to worry about that. Now, I'm not going to be using the Snapchat account anymore, so I'm going to be shutting down my Snapchat account after this video. And I'm going to leave my Snapchat help playlist in the description. Covers how to have multiple accounts on one device, how to create a Snapchat account, which is this video, public creator account, how to close an account, unblock, all the tips and tricks you need to know. So if that sounds interesting to you, check that playlist out in the description. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.